welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about my February 2023 earnings report for Medium, my income revealed on Medium. So my friends, February 2023 was a very difficult month for me because I had some problems with my health. For 3 days I couldn't write, and usually I write every day on Medium, and because of that my progression was halted. Those 3 days were really important for me, my friends. I had a severe throat infection. So let's dive into the stats, my friends, what's happening and what's not. I'll go to February, and yes, I'll go to February earnings, but first I have to show you my statistics. So my friends, as you can see, my views have dropped significantly, and there are two reasons for that, why my views have dropped. First of all, the problem is that the curation from Medium, I had 0 articles curated from Medium in the month of February 2023, and I think the reason might have been that I'm not writing original content, unique content, and this is the biggest reason perhaps. Although I had some original written content, unique content, but the stories are mostly news related, and the news related stories were already circulating on the internet. So I just was focusing on those stories because they are quite trending. So if you can see my January views, I almost crossed 109,000 views and almost 33,000 reads. But in February 2023 it was around about 45,000 views and half the number of read times. So obviously this James Julian guy on YouTube, he had 30,000 views in January, and he made over $1,200. But for me it's not the case. My read times are not that much from members, because I don't write 8 minutes plus stories. I write 4 to 5 minutes plus stories. So this is a huge setback for me, my friends. So let's dive into the stats. A lot of members, Medium referred members, decided to leave. 2 members decided to leave, so I am left with $15.37 at the end of the month, and my total earning is $448.77, which is round about $167 less than January 2023. $167 less than January 2023, in which I earned $605+. And if you can see, my friends, my curated stories from last month, the GPT professional one, it still gave me money, $135. A curated story from last month on Google external traffic, it has got over 40,000 views, got me $58, and the rest are the same, really, not much happening. Because I wrote trending topics surrounding ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, I still got lots and lots of money on the other articles. And these are my stats, my friends. My friends, I have a special request. If there is a Medium editor that is reading this story, editor who is working for a publication reading this story, please contact me. I have some drafts I would like to review for acceptance, in getting accepted in big publications. I need this help, my friends. So if you are an editor or know an editor that can help me out in this regard, please let me know. contact me. All my social media links are in the tap link below. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.